Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to submit your Amazon affiliate tax information and complete your tax forms in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Amazon Associates account at affiliate-program.amazon.com. Step 2. Go to your account settings and then click Change Tax Information. Step 3. You will be redirected to the tax interview process and click Start Interview. Step 4. Choose your tax classification. For most individual affiliates, select Individual and non-US person if you are outside the US. Step 5. Fill out the W-8BEN form with your full name, country of residence, and tax identification number or TIN number. Step 6. Confirm treaty benefits if applicable, because some countries qualify for reduced withholding tax. Step 7. Review and digitally sign the form and then click Submit. And once approved, your account will be compliant and you will be eligible to receive payments with reduced or no withholding tax depending on your country. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.